So I always start my wash day with my gold scalp scrub from Rawkyn, and I just use this to clarify my scalp, get rid of any buildup or itchiness that might be there, and I distribute it evenly throughout my scalp, and then I just massage everything in very lightly. I never use my nails to do this, always my fingertips, never my nails. Next, I grab my Righteous Roots oil, and I use this for my pre-poo as well. I just put a couple of drops and then I massage this into my scalp just to help thicken my hair and promote hair growth as well. So after I'm done pre-pooing, I just put my hair in a bun and I leave this in my hair for about 10 minutes. And this is my pre-poo, which means this is what I do before I shampoo my hair. So I just leave it in for 10 minutes and then I wash it out. After my pre-poo, I go to my shampoo. For this video, I'm using the shampoo from Olaplex. Two other shampoos that I love and trust are from Rizo's Curls, and the last one is from Briogeo, the Scalp Revival shampoo. So I just take my shampoo, I massage it into my scalp. Like I said before, never use your nails. Your scalp doesn't need to be treated that harshly. Just use your fingertips and massage everything in, distribute it evenly. And with shampoo, you want to focus on your scalp, and then you bring it down to the rest of your hair eventually. So every wash day, which for me is once a week, I deep condition, and this week I used Heaven and Hair from DevaCurl. This is when I detangle my hair and get any knots out when I have conditioner or deep conditioner in it. Mostly when I have deep conditioner in it, just because it has extra moisture in my opinion. And yeah, I leave it in for as little as 3 minutes to as long as 30 minutes depending on what I'm doing and if I'm in a rush or not. But this is one of the steps to my wash day, and I just distributed the product evenly while I'm detangling. So after I finish with my deep conditioner, I rinse it out, and then I go in with my regular conditioner. A lot of people don't do this, but I just like the extra moisture for my hair. And then I make sure all the knots are out and distribute the conditioner evenly throughout my hair. After I finish with this step, I rinse it out and style my hair like I usually do.